What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the 100% confirmed Galaxy S23 Ultra rumor highlights what a marvel its 200 megapixel camera will be. Yes, the rumors about the Galaxy S23 Ultra confirmed 100% emphasize that a 200 megapixel camera will be installed in the smartphone. Some time has passed since the Samsung a 200 megapixel sensor has been announced, and it is very likely that it will be another premium phone from a South Korean company, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. You will be proud of this camera sensor. Of course, these are not the same versions of the HP1 and HP3 that the company has already announced, and there has been speculation that a 200 megapixel sensor dedicated to the Galaxy S23 Ultra would be really big. But it does not seem to be the case. Smartphone vendors have size restrictions that prevent them from equipping their phones with oversized sensors. We recently saw companies using a technique called pixel binning, where individual smaller pixels are combined together to act as one large pixel and create more detailed images. For example, although the Galaxy S22 Ultra camera is 108 megapixel, it takes 12 megapixel photos by default. Likewise, the new Apple iPhone 14 Pro comes with a 48 megapixel main sensor that produces 12 megapixel photos, and this is achieved by integrating image location data of 1.22 micron pixels to provide image comparable to the 2.44 micron pixel sensor. Such tricks can go too far, and at some points the physics will catch up and the camera sensors will have to be bigger to accommodate more megapixels. So while the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 200 megapixel sensor is likely not to be the same size as the 108 megapixel unit in the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the good news is that the increase will be almost minimal. The 200 megapixel on the Galaxy S23 Ultra will accommodate more megapixels. Once again, the famous tech insider Ice Universe, who said that the 100% showed the main camera of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel will be 1 by 1.3 inches and a pixel size of 0.6 microns and a larger aperture of f1.7 for more light. By comparison, the Galaxy S22 Ultra's 108 megapixel sensor measures 1 by 1.33 inches with a 0.8 micron pixels and f1.8 aperture. It adds that it will be slightly larger than the iPhone 14 Pro's 48 megapixel main camera sensor, which it says is also 1 by 1.3 inches. There is a possibility that it will be smaller than the sensors found in some competing Android phones coming next year. This probably applies to phones that can use 1-inch sensors. As her recent attempts prove, laugh at Apple, Samsung is more focused on maintaining its leading position in relation to the iPhone manufacturer. As Apple and Google have pointed out, higher resolution is not everything, but it's generally better for advanced users as it gives them more options to work with. Many users still use the megapixel number as a reference number to determine how good a camera. Ultimately, image quality is influenced by manufacturers other than megapixels, including sensor size, as a larger sensor can accommodate more pixel and aperture more detail. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is said to retain the 10 megapixel zoom sensors of the Galaxy S22 Ultra with its 10x and 3x optical zoom. Nothing is known about the Ultra HD camera. The company is also expected to use smart software to help the Galaxy S23 Ultra deliver much better photos and videos. It's safe to assume that it will continue to excel at the best 2022 camera smartphones. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.